Welcome to NextGen Mansions, where future meets fantasy in the world of architecture brilliance. Today, we're stepping into a universe of elevated design where artistic expression, luxury lifestyle, and cutting edge technology merge under one roof. These are not just homes, they are masterpieces that redefine what it means to live well. Imagine entering a mansion where the entire living space is wrapped in floor of ceiling glass, revealing an endless ocean horizon that changes with the sky. As the gold hour light floods the space, it turns across pearl white marble floors, softly buoyant with gold. The air is warm and vibrant, filled with hues deep teal, rose gold, and ivory. Plush velvet seating invites you into conversation surrounded by soft ambient lighting and suspended art that seems to float like modern jewelry overhead. Every angle, every material, every texture is curated for impact, from the smoked glass coffee table to the curved brass fixture that can now picture residence designed for the year 2080. Hyper-modern and environmentally intelligent, the glass is not just glass but smart glass, reacting to light and privacy with the tap of a finger. The furniture is adaptive, reading your posture and adjusting in real time, ultimate comfort. You walk across nano-coated reflective floors that feel like liquid stone beneath your feet. The kitchen is integrated with AI. Think black marble Iceland, glowing